Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. To get started, log into your Facebook business account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. After the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll through the available options and click on Linked Accounts. Inside the Linked Accounts section, select Instagram. From here, connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure the Instagram account you connect is the one you want to use for your online store. Once your Facebook and Instagram accounts are connected, open your Shopify admin dashboard in a new tab. In Shopify, go to Apps section and add the Facebook and Instagram app if it is not already installed. After installing the app, click Start Setup. You will be asked to log into your Facebook account. Follow the setup process and connect your business manager, Facebook page, and Instagram account. Next, you will be guided through the Meta Commerce Manager setup. Enter your business information and complete all required details. This step creates your shop and links it to both Facebook and Instagram. After everything is connected, submit your shop for review. Meta will check your account to make sure it follows their commerce policies. The review process usually takes up to 48 hours. Once your shop is approved, Instagram shopping will become available on your account. You can then start tagging your products directly in Instagram posts, Reels, and Stories, making it easier for customers to discover and purchase your products. Thanks for watching.